Hi again, so welcome back to lecture 2. Within this lecture I'm going to talk to you about the requirements of a sewing box. So a lot of these things you can find in supermarkets, sewing stores, online. So to get started you will need a sewing machine, whether this is one that you've borrowed to practice on. You can rent them, I believe, so you can practice on one before you buy one, or even if you've been given one by your grandma. So to get started you will need 2 pieces of square fabric, roughly about 10 inches by 10 inches. If it's a little bit more, a little bit less, that's fine. You will need a pair of scissors, preferably fabric scissors if you have any. If not, use some from the kitchen. You will need a sewing machine needle. These generally come with the sewing machine, so if there's already one included, that's great. You will need thread. You can get matching thread or thread that's a contrast to the colour you're using fabric wise. That will help you see the stitches better and practice a lot more easier. You'll also need some pins, tape measure and a seam ripper. So that is everything you will need in your sewing box to get you started. Don't worry about all the other things that you think you will need. This is just to get you started for now.